In this example, we will use the binomial theorem to expand x minus 2 to the power 6. The binomial theorem in the expanded form is written on the right. So we'll start with writing our binomial in the desired form, which is as a sum. So we'll have x plus and negative 2 and everything to the power 6. And therefore, we'll have to apply the formula with a equals negative 2 and n equals 6. So the first term is the exponent 6, choose 0, and then we'll take x to the power 6 and a to the power 0. Then we'll increase the number on the bottom in the binomial coefficient by 1. We'll decrease the power of the exponent of x by 1 and will increase the power of negative 2. And we'll continue. We'll have 6 over 2, x to the fourth, negative 2 to the second, plus 6 choose 3, x to the third, negative 2 to the third, plus 6 choose 4, x to the second, negative 2 to the fourth. And then we'll have two more terms, 6 choose 5, exponent of x will be 1 less than before, so this is the first one, and they will have negative 2 to the power 5th. And finally we'll have term 6 choose 6. X will be to the 0 power and negative 2 is going to be to the power 6. So now we'll use what we know about the binomial coefficients, the values. What we don't know we'll compute and compute the exponents of negative 2, and we'll combine and simplify the whole expression. So the first, 6 choose 0 is 1, so we'll have x to the 6, negative to the 0 is 1. Then we'll have 6 choose 1, and 6 choose 1 is 6. We'll have x to the power 5th and times negative 2. Then we'll have 6 choose 2, and we'll have to compute that using the definition, and that's going to be 15. Then we'll have x to the power 4 times 4, plus 6 choose 3, again we'll use the definition, that's going to be 20, x to the third times negative 8. The next term will be 6 choose 4, this is the same as 6 choose 2, and that's going to be 15, x squared times 16. And then we'll have a plus 6 choose 5 is 6, x, and negative 2 to the 5th is negative 32. And finally we have 6 choose 6, that's 1, x to the 0 is 1, and negative 2 to the power 6 is 64. So let's multiply just the numbers, and you'll have x to the 6. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12, x to the 5th. Then we'll have 15 times 4, which will give us 60, x to the 4th. 20 times negative 8 will be negative 160, x cubed. 15 times 16 is 18. 16 times is 240, x squared. Then 6 times 32 is negative 192, x, and plus 64. So x minus 2 to the power 6 when expanded give me this whole polynomial.